pull it out for you and try to get this thing running.
Push, Mark.
Yeah, those tires don't look too good, huh? So this is the situation now. I got it pulled out. I got it jacked up. I'm gonna replace these wheels and hopefully tow it home. These tires were in pretty bad shape, I'd say. Alright, so I got the boat back, and just a little bit more information about this boat. It's a Four Winds Liberator 201. It's got a Chevy 350 inboard, outboard, I guess. Stainless steel prop. The owner says he's had it up to 70 miles an hour before, so that's really impressive. I don't know how much horsepower this has, but looks like a fast boat. 23 feet long. Trailer matches color. This is also a Four Winds trailer, dual axle, so that's pretty awesome. It should clean up nice. It doesn't look like it's in too bad of shape. There are some chips in the outdrive, but it's not too bad. I wanted to see what it would look like with 15 years the cover off. And after 15 years, it's pretty bad. So, a lot of mold. Got a rat's nest right here. Looks like they made a little nest right in that area. So it looks like that will need to be repaired. What else we got in here? Pretty moldy. Pretty moldy. Yeah, steering doesn't want to be turned. Throttle doesn't feel that great. All right, that's all. No battery. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Batteries were removed. Gonna let this battery charge up for a little bit. Should be fine in that boat just to get things rolling. This is just simple green. Gonna give it a good strong coat. I think I'm gonna need something tougher than this brush. That's better. sun deck. Where are the controls for the sun deck? Oh, here it is. Okay, it works. It works. Perfect. 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 Let me try to do this. Don't do this at home, kids, because you will get hurt. Works. It's opening. There she is. Engine oil looks okay. Does the bilge pump work? No. It's water cooled from the seawater. So it takes it in, cools the engine, and then goes back out. I really hope that this was winterized properly, because if it wasn't, it's gonna have a crack in the block somewhere. Been through that before, so. But another boat. Only 340 hours. Wow. All right, day 2. Today, I'm going to take a look at the engine. I got a lot more room to work in now, so those partitions came out. They're just some screws. And I'm gonna take a look at this engine now. Oh God. That doesn't look good. Well, that filter is no bueno. So it's a 4-barrel carb. Where's a 2-barrel? I don't know. I don't know these American muscle car engines. I used to work on the Japanese stuff. All fuel injected. That's nice. Did it just move? Did it just move? I think it did. I think it broke free. I think it broke free. So these Chevy small blocks get a BR6FS spark plug. So this is a little messed up. I gotta clean up inside of there, so I got a clean connection. And after I do that, my key should work, but this is the ignition. All right, so I hooked up the starter motor, the battery, hooked some wires back up, fixed the fuse for the ignition, so now I can start it using the key. I haven't checked the gasoline inside of the tank, but what I did was I just shot some gasoline down the barrels, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to cough and fire over. Fire extinguisher number 1, fire extinguisher number 2, fire extinguisher number 3 down in there, so let's see what happens here. Oh shit. Well, I don't know if that's good or bad. Alright, so I hooked up the battery to the wires and it likes that a lot. It's turning over a lot faster, so I sprayed some starter fluid. I got the fuel primed. Should run for a little while, but let me see if it fires up. Oh. Come on, baby. baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh. And it shut off just the way I wanted it to too, which was good. That's the water pump. That's driven mechanically, not from a belt. So I think I got to start it up in order to suck up the water.